ચાલો બાળકો, આજે આપણે ભણીશું મેથ્સ ચેપ્ટર 2 શેપ એન્ડ એંગલ્સ. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. એટલે રોહિણી અને મોહિની બે ટ્વિન સિસ્ટર છે. One day when they were making shape with matchsticks, मतलब માચીસની સળીઓથી તે એક શેપ બનાવતી હતી. Shalila gave them a challenge. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it, but she can ask question. Oh, that is so simple. રોહિણી made this shape. આ શેપ રોહિણીએ બનાવેલો છે. આ શેપ મોહિની is it a closed shape or an open shape? Rohini, it is a closed shape. Mohini, how many sides are there? એટલે આ આકારમાં કેટલી સાઈડ છે? તો 1 2 3 4 5 6. અહીંયા બાજુમાં આવશે 6. તો ક્લોઝ રોહિણી, it is a closed shape. તો yes. Rohini, it has 6 sides. Mohini made this. આ ચિત્ર મોહિનીએ બનાવેલું છે. Now you give the answer. It is a closed shape. તો ખાલી જગ્યામાં લખશું yes. Does it have 6 sides? ગણીએ બાળકો. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Does it have 6 sides? Oh yes. But it is not the same as the one made by Rohini, so Mohini try again. This is what the made. આ છે રોહિણીએ બનાવેલું છે મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી. It is a closed shape with 6 sides. તો જોઈએ closed shape તો yes. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. આ ખાલી જગ્યામાં આપણે લખશું yes. Is it the same as to one made by Rohini? આ જગ્યા આપણે ખાલી રાખશું. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? Mohini tried again but got different shape. Guess and make. Two more shapes Mohini could have made. Mohini is now trying and asked Shashila what to do. If you ask for the angles that the matchsticks make at the corners, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see difference? આ શેપ્સમાં ડિફરન્સ શું છે? ઓકે, પહેલા શેપ્સ અલગ અલગ છે. શેપ્સ અલગ અલગ છે, એટલો જ ડિફરન્સ છે. See how the matchsticks make a small angle, a big angle, and a bigger angle. Whoa, wow! When the angle changes, the shape changes so much. It is important to encourage children to think about the way in which shapes can differ even when the number of sides is the same. This will help them to get a sense of how angles determines the shapes of a trigon. Practice time. Look at the shape and answer. આ શેપ જોવાનો છે, એના પરથી આપણે જવાબ આપવાના છે. The angle marked in blank's color is the biggest angle. આમાંથી biggest angle કઈ છે? ઓકે, down. Are the angles marked with yellow equal? Yellow is equal. Yes. Are the angles marked with green equal? No. Are the angles marked with blue equal? Okay. No. For different angles are marked in 4 colors, can you find other angles which are the same as to one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for the other colors. How many different shapes can you make by changing the angle between the matchsticks in each of these? Try. પહેલા આપણે આવી ચોરસ એક મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી ચોરસ બનાવવાનો છે, 4 મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી આ ચોરસ બનાવવાનો છે, 8 મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી આયરવા શેપ બનાવવાનો છે, 5 મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી આ શેપ બનાવવાનો છે, 10 મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી ગોળ બનાવવાનો છે, 7 મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી આયરો આકાર બનાવવાનો છે. જો બાળકો તમે ટ્રાય કરજો, જો તમારથી થાય તો મને કમેન્ટમાં યસ કરીને મોકલજો, અને નો થાય તો નો કરીને મોકલજો. આમાં દેખાડ્યું છે એ રીતના કરજો તો મારા 100% થઈ જશે. Matchsticks puzzle. Make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks. Try. જો બાળક 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 મેચસ્ટિક્સ થી આ ફિશ બનાવવાની છે. Take 8 matchsticks and make a fish like this. Now pick up any 3 matchsticks and put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. Did it? Using 10 matchsticks, make the shape pick up 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you get the shape of house. If you have not been able solve this, then look for the answer on page 29. એટલે આનો આન્સર પેજ નંબર 29 પર છે. ચલો આપણે જોઈએ. પેજ નંબર 29, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I give answer. Are your answer? પહેલાનો, બીજાનો, ત્રીજાનો. પાછા આવી જશું આપણે. પાછા આવી જશું. Angle tester. How do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called a divider. આપણી ગુજરાતી ભાષામાં કહીએ તો પરિકર. Cut 2 strips from a cardboard sheet. 2 strips. બે પટ્ટી કાપવાની છે કાર્ડબોર્ડમાંથી. Fix them with a drawing pin or such that both the strips can move around easily. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. Rohini tested the angle of the maths book and the pencil box. Look at the tester. It is open like the letter L. This is a right angle. We write it also L. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter. Are you sure they are all right angles? Practice time. Look at the angles in the pictures and fill the table. Angles, right angles, more than a right angles, less than a right angles. Okay. બીજામાં પહેલામાં આવશે રાઈટ એંગલ્સ, બીજામાં આવશે રાઈટ એંગલ, ત્રીજામાં આવશે મોર ધેન અ રાઈટ એંગલ્સ, ચોથામાં આવશે લેસ ધેન અ રાઈટ એંગલ, એ મોર ધેન અ રાઈટ એંગલ, પછી આમાં આવશે તો કે right angle. Superman made this picture with so many angles. આમાં બાળકો તમારે એંગલ્સ ગોતવાના છે. તો આપણે જોશું ક્યાં ક્યાં એંગલ્સ છે. પહેલું એંગલ, બીજો, ત્રીજું, ચોથું, પાંચમું, છઠ્ઠું, 7, 8, 9, 10. એટલે કે બહુ બધા એંગલ્સ છે. પણ ગણી નહીં શકું એટલા એંગલ્સ છે. તો બાળકો તમે આ એંગલ્સ ગણીને અહીંયા લખવાના છે. યુઝ કલર પેન્સિલ ટુ માર્ક ઇન બાજુમાં લખવાના છે. રાઇટ એંગલ્સ વિથ બ્લેક કલર્સ. Angles which are more than a right angle with green. Angles which are less than a right angle with blue. તો બાળકો આનો જો તમને સવાલનો જવાબ આવડતો હોય તો તમે કમેન્ટમાં લખજો. અને બાળકો આ વિડીયોને લાઈક, સબસ્ક્રાઈબ અને તમારા બીજા ગ્રુપમાં પણ શેર કરજો. અને આખો વિડીયો નિહાળજો. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write which kind of angle it is. The first one is done. Activity: take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half, fold it once more and press the. Open the last fold. The sheet is folded in half. Take one corner, fold it to meet the dotted line. On the paper you will find it line making a right angle and an angle less than a right angle, an angle more than a right angle. Look for each of the angles and mark them with different colors. Activity: angle with your body. Can you make these angles? A right angle with your hand, an angle less than a right angle with your leg, angle more than a right angle with your arm, an angle more than right angle with your body. Try them out fun. Draw them in your notebook using sticks and drawings like this. Angel garden, angle garden. My angle dance show the way. When I see flowers for making honey, I went to tell other bees to show them the way. I start dancing my dance on the angle between the sun and the flower. Collect some leaves for the garden. Color each leaf and print it. Look at the angles on the leaves. Which of them are more less than a right angles? Hey, look at the bird. Its beak has an angle less than a right angle. આ છે લક્કડ ખોદ. જે બાળકો આવ્યું ને, આઈ એમ woodpecker. My beak is sharp because it has cut the wood. Look at the bird which have beaks with small angles. On the picture, mark angles between the two branches which two branches have the biggest angles in name. You know there are angles in the letter of our name too. સુખામેન. એટલે બાળકો ઓલા મેન ને એવો સુખામેન, સુકાઈ ગયેલા ઈ નહીં, સુખામેન નામ છે. In my name there are 11 right angles. There are also 10 angles less than a right angles. Write 3 names using straight lines and count the angles. Activity. Put 10 mathematics magic books on a top of each. Other keep one book silencing to make a slide. How do this with 6 books? Roll a ball from the top. From which slide does the ball roll down fast? Which slide has the smaller angles? These are 2 slides in a park. Which slide has a larger angle? Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Why? Changing shape. This you need use or new matchstick pieces of rubber tube used in cycle wheels. Clean the black end of the matchsticks. Cut small pieces of the tube about 1 cm long. Push 2 matchsticks into each end of a tube piece. Add more matchsticks from a triangle. Now make these 4, 5, 6 sided shape by using tube pieces and matchsticks. Find out how many angles are in each of these shapes. Mark them. Now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. Does the angle change when pushed down by the left finger? Find out write your result in the table given. Change an angle. No. Yes. Yes. No. Shapes and towers. Look for triangle in the picture below. From the activity changing shapes, can you guess why? Triangles are used in these towers, etc. Look around to find out more places where triangles are used. Angle and time. Zenith, you are watch does not have digit. How do you read time? I just see the angles. See when the hands make right angles. I know it is 9 o'clock. There are many times in a day when the hand of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at time. Also write time. Draw the hand of the clock when they make angle which is less than a right angle. Also write the answer. Math 6 puzzle page 1919. Daisy clock, degree clock. Appu and Kittu are playing carom. Appu hit the striker. It come back at the same angle. In the picture, their points A, B, and C are shown. Draw a line to show for which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. If you want, you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is Brighton us. Activity making in a degree clock. Cut a circle out of paper, fold it into half, fold it once again into a quarter, fold it once more, open the paper, you will see lines like these. Now mark 0, 45, 90 and 180 as shown. Paste in on a old card. From the center draw hand. Make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the center with a drawing pin so that is it free to move. Your degree clock is ready. Use a degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil. Box is the measure of the right angle. Can you guess how many degrees the angle which is 1/2 of a right angle? 1/3 part of a right angle. two times of a right angle. Measure the angle from where Kittu should hit the striker on page 30. 90 degrees called right angle. Angle in a paper aeroplane. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half and open it. Fold the corner, the center. Your paper look like this. For the green triangle, search the P touch Q. Fold the top two corners of this rectangle along the dotted lines. Your paper will look like this. There are small triangle in the picture which has been folded up. Turn it over the fold it in half along the dotted line. Now to make a wing, fold the yellow edge over the red edge. Turn it in it and do the same on other side as well. Your plane is ready to fly. Will your doors fly? Find the angle of 45 degree and 90 degree when you open your yellow plane. Angles with yoga. Rahmat is doing yoga. These are the picture of different asana he does every day. Estimate the measure of many angles as you can made by different part of the body while doing asana. The D game. You can play the D game with your friend. You draw an angle. Your friend will guess the measure of the angle. Then you use D to measure difference between the measure and angle, and the guess will be your friend's score. The one with the lowest score will be the winner. Come play. You can find this D in your geometry box. Measure the angle on my head pen. તો આ વિડિયો અહીં પૂરો થાય છે. થેન્ક યુ ફોર વોચિંગ. બાળકો, મારી એક બીજી ચેનલ છે 5મા ધોરણની તીર્થ ક્લાસ. તો તીર્થ નવોદય ક્લાસ JNB સરકાર તરફથી. તો એને પણ પૂરો નિહાળજો અને લાઈક એન્ડ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ એન્ડ શેર કરી દેજો. થેન્ક યુ ફોર વોચિંગ.